was so gross. It's just fat. It's just steak. Oh my god, it's fucking gross. I'm sorry, mister.
Oh god, damn, dude.
Dude, that's so fucking gross.
Are you gonna throw up?
Nah, I'm good now. I was.
Are you gonna puke?
I just got dirt all in my mouth. First when I squished it, it went all in my mouth. God, that's fucking gross. Ugh.